Hello everyone, are you tired of complex software setups and time-consuming updates? Follow me for more details. Under Android version, if you want to install more apps, then you have to get the Google Play Store first. From our pre-installed Get Store, download. During the installation, the device is restarting. After installation, from the apps icon, you can see the Google Play Store, and then enter it. You can download any legal apps from Google Play, like some popular apps, YouTube. So let me show you the processing of the download for you. Open it. If you want to uninstall any apps, I'm pressing the app icon. Okay, then finish the uninstallation. If you want to install any apps under Windows system, click the Microsoft Store, and then you can install any legal apps. Let me show you our unique whiteboard. Download it from our official website. After installation, and then you can use it. It makes your work go smoothly, give you a sample in-person working experience. If you want to know more details, contact us, please. Thanks for watching.